Hey guys, so I've been in bed all day, not feeling well, but this is what Loony's doing for me. She comes up and has been, I don't know if you can see very well, but I'm in bed, it's dark. But Loony she came up and started doing deep pressure therapy for me, all on her own. She knows I'm not feeling good today, so it's very nice of her. Oh, Loon. Very nice girl. Very nice girl. She's like on top of me in my bed. This is my chest here. Very good. Oh, you coming up to give me a kiss? Thank you. Yeah, see? Hello. Yeah, she's on my chest here. Very sweet of her. Yeah, I've been in bed with like a migraine all day and my jaw is all achy. And yeah, this is what she does. She crawls up the bed and lays on my chest, like for deep pressure therapy. Oh. But yeah, sorry no live stream today. I just haven't been feeling great. Literally been in bed all day. Like, could not get up. My mom called me a couple times to ask me if I wanted to eat dinner, and I'm like, ugh, I'm not even hungry. But yeah, so it's me and Loony just feeling terrible today. But I'll hopefully see you guys tomorrow. And at least I got my buddy here by my side taking care of me. Huh. Good service dog. You know, she's not perfect with everything, but she does know how to help me when I need it. Oh, bud. Yeah. Thank you. Okay. Good. Alright. Yeah, she lays right on top of me on my chest here. She's a very sweet, sweet girl. Bye. Thank you, Loon.